Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our channel podcast Masa TV Madrasah Alia 1 Andogaya Guru Sumeneb. And today I will be presenting to you all about the journey of English learning. But before it, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Gufron and I come from Rubaru, Sumeneb, Madura. And now I stay in one of boarding school, that is Anoke Boarding School of Lubangsa area. And beside me, I have a friend that I think his English learning higher than me. So to know more about him, let him to introduce himself to all audiences. Okay, my friend, you can introduce yourself exactly. What is your name and where are you from? Each one you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kusuma Wardana. I come from Bali, especially in Denpasar. Then I begin my adventure in Lubangsa area. Also become a student in Madrasah Alia 1 Anokoya. Maybe just it for introducing myself.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. And today we will talk about the journey of English learning. And I think learning about English, I think is very difficult because if we want to know how to speak English, we have to study hard. What is your opinion about English?
My opinion about English. English is one of international language that I think important to us to know about it. If you want to communicate with tourists, so you have to know their language. So you have to study what English, then understand about it. That I think what I know about English.
Okay, thank you very much. And I think, yes, of course, you are right. Is what did you say just now? And maybe you have good experience since you're the first time learning about English language. Maybe you have a good experience or a bad experience exactly when you learn about English, exactly in your school and in your house or others.
I feel interested to study about English when I was the third elementary school. There, I study with my teacher and my friend. When I tell my father if I feel interested to English, he ordered me to memorize 10 vocabulary from dictionary. So I memorized it, continue for about 6 years. Then I begin new adventure in Lubangsa area. There is some institute that I think best.
What is that?
That is Bebe English.
Wow, it's amazing.
Bebe English. There I join their institute for about 1 year. 1 year I stay in speaking class, then move to grammar class. Also I am trying to combine it, either Bebe English with listen in my school.
Wait a moment. And how many years you learn about English learning exactly in the English program?
In Bebe English, I just study for about 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Yeah. Then I was stopped from it because I think enough to study what English.
Okay. And how about your school?
In my school, when I was first class, my teacher is Mr. Helmi.
Mr. Helmi, okay.
You know him?
Of course, I know.
He teach me about tenses. There are many tenses I know from him, but he say the important tenses just 4.
Whatever is that?
That is simple present, simple past, continuous, and perfect continuous.
Wow.
That he said the important tenses we have to know.
So that the 4 tenses that we have to know because it's very important.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's good. And what is your first strategy to know how to speak English?
My first strategy is memorize vocabulary
Okay.
every day. because my father ordered me to memorize in dictionary. So I memorized it for about 6 years. Then when I was take boarding school here, Luas area, I was to memorize for about 20 vocabulary because my institute obligate it. For right now, I don't more memorize vocabulary anymore because I think enough to memorize.
Okay. I think your experience is higher than me. Yes?
No.
Okay. And what is your main ambition to study about English learning?
My main ambition, actually, I want to go to abroad because I think abroad is amazing. So I want to come to there. Then I want to have communicate with them, especially tourists. So if I have some problem or whatever, I able to tell them.
So you never met with tourists
No, always in my house.
in your house?
Yes.
In Bali.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Then my final ambition is later when I was graduate from my school, especially Madrasah Satu Anukoya, I want to go to what is that?
Africa.
No, is that?
Oh, he's a
I want to go to what is it? I forget.
Korea.
No, university.
What university?
UCLA, University California, Los Angeles.
Wow, it's amazing, really.
That become my
Favorite university.
yes.
Okay.
I want to come to there.
Okay, maybe you have a little word to say for all of people, the audiences, to spirit learning about English language.
I have quote maybe like this: no need to shine all the time, because even the stars know when it have to shine. The mean like this: if you don't know to speak English right now, maybe in other time you do know about English. Maybe just it little word to audience.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, all audiences, from this all, you can get a good experience. And thank you for your time, Mr. Kusuma Wardani. And to all audiences, don't forget to follow us, exactly Masa TV. Okay, maybe that's all. If we have many mistake in our podcast, please forgive us. And the last we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.